Here are a few foods and drinks that cause your teeth to stain. 1. Tea and your teeth. Tea is a healthy drink, but it may not be the best choice for keeping your teeth white. Herbal and white teas can wear away the outer covering of your teeth, called enamel, and cause stains, too. 2. Sauces and stains. They may be tasty, but deeply colored sauces, think soy, tomato, and curry, also cause stains. Switch to light-colored or creamy sauces, and brush and rinse soon after eating. 3. Sports drinks. Acidic foods and drinks can also affect your teeth. Sports or energy drinks can erode enamel, setting the stage for stains. Drinking water during workouts is a better choice. 4. Wine and white teeth. If a food or drink can stain a tablecloth, it can stain your teeth. It's no surprise that red wine, an acidic drink known for its dark, rich color, will discolor teeth. But white wine, which has even more acid, also can. 5. Fruits and berries. Blueberries, blackberries, cherries, pomegranates, and other vibrant fruits can stain teeth. So can juices and pies made from them. Paler fruits, like white grapes and white cranberries, are less likely to cause stains. But they do have acid that can soften or weaken your enamel. 6. Soda, cola, and other carbonated drinks. Looking for a reason to cut back? Thanks to acids and dyes, these drinks, even light-colored ones, can lead to serious stains. Plus, the chemicals that add flavor can also eat away your enamel. 7. Candy and sweets. If your favorite sweet, like hard candy, chewing gum, or a popsicle, makes your tongue change colors, it can also stain your teeth. The good news is that unless you eat those goodies often, they probably won't do much harm. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related videos, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, make health your greatest wealth.